Hey everybody, we're here in our Hillary Machinery showroom. This is the Hyundai-Wia KF5600. This is a 43 by 22 inch vertical machining center. This particular model has 20 inches of Z travel. We also offer a 5600C, which is a 25 inches of Z travel. Chip conveyors are standard on these machines and they are bidirectional, so we can run this left or right. The chip flow is brought to the front by dual chip augers, high-pitched sidewalls. This particular machine here is a 12,000 RPM direct drive chilled spindle. We also offer an 8,000 RPM direct, 15 and 20K. This operates on the FANUC 0i series platform. This is the latest F series FANUC. The hand wheel control unit on these machines is standard. LED light, standard. This machine is set up with the Renishaw probing system. This is the OTS, optical tool setter, and OMP, the optical measuring probe. This machine, as I mentioned, does have a built-in spindle chiller, tucked up nicely here. A 290 PSI through the spindle coolant system is standard. High pressure flood coolant, 89 PSI, 8 gallons per minute. Large reservoir for the automatic lubrication system, easily gotten to here, quick access. Air valves for the main spindle during tool change. We do not use an air cylinder for the tool change itself, or as far as the drawbar compression. It is actually a hydraulic unit. It's much more reliable, stronger, and doesn't tax your shop air. This machine weighs in at 16,500 pounds. It is a 30 pocket side mount tool changer, Big Plus Cat 40 spindle. And once again, we offer this in a wide variety of spindle configurations, including the 8K, 12K, 15K, and 20K variety. The 20K being a mold package, ceramic bearings, built-in chilled style spindle, or I should say air oil for the chilling of the spindle, or lubrication of the spindle. And so that is the Hyundai-Wia KF5600.